Well, I built a lot of bots for work for clients. The first bot that I built for myself was a fantasy football automation. This could also work for fantasy basketball or whatever sport, right? But I was in a fantasy football league, and anybody that's done that, you have to go into your team, your lineup, and make changes and do all sorts of things every day, every week. Sometimes those changes are pretty basic, like updating your lineup, adding one player, moving a player. Sometimes it's more complex. If the player's injured, then you want to obviously move him out. A lot of that, it's pretty basic. It's just simple rules, which means it's perfect for automation. So what I did is I built a robot that would go into my lineup every day and make those changes, like do all the things that I was doing manually, just have a robot do it, which saved me like tons of time. The biggest thing was with that was that I would forget, like everybody forgets to set their lineup, and if you forget to set your lineup, that means that like you lose out just because you forgot, because people are busy. Now the robot does it for me, I never forget, and life is better.
So did you win a lot after the bot was built?
I won a lot more, way a lot more, yeah.
Yeah? How long did it take you to build this?
3 hours.
Wow.
Like one afternoon, got it done. That's why UiPath at least is so amazing, way better. Is that in like a couple hours, if you know what you're doing, you'll have a bot built that ends up saving you like dozens of hours of time, over a long period of time.
That's amazing.